I just couldn't let this moment go by without a little reflection philosophically on what Ian was talking about. When data met the algorithm. For the record, the term algorithm is attributed to being coined by a guy called Al-Khwarizmi, dubbed the father of algebra and introduced the concept of zero in 780 AD. He was a Persian astronomer, mathematician. His name reflects that he was a native of Khwarizmi, a town whose English name is Khiva, located in western Uzbekistan. How do I know this? Well, I happened to visit Khiva in 2008 and noticed a reclining statue outside the mud-walled town with a stainless steel plaque whose inscription informed me of these facts. Thanks, Ian, for your very interesting perspective. Some 1,500 years post Al-Khwarizmi's tome entitled Algorithmi de Numero Indorum. Thank you, Ian. So, my thanks to a wonderful group of speakers who've contributed to today's proceedings. We at the Pearcey Foundation are very appreciative of the time you've made available for being here today and for preparing to share your perspectives, knowledge and experience on the future of Australia's computing and software capability. We greatly appreciate the financial support our sponsors, without whom we couldn't simply have done this event. The University of Sydney, the Business School, particularly Sebastian Burl, Senior Lecturer, Information Systems, who was stood down by his boss, Kai, who's been a great moderator today, and Sandra, who was involved, and also Priyanka. The Sydney University has also underwritten us noticeably here, and the Computer Science Department through the support of Bob Comerfield, a man on the ground here and chief supporter of this event, the non-retired affiliate professor of computer science. And I did meet his boss, Joachim Gudmundsson, the head of department, earlier today, but I think he's not here now. The University of New South Wales, in particularly Professor Aaron Quigley and Murray, they've been undying supporters of our effort to put this on today. And to the ANU School of Computer Science, Professor Tony Hosking. This is an unbelievable support from the academic community, along with Data 61's Li Ming Zhu, and of course John Whittle, who spoke, he's head of Data 61, who spoke here, and for Saro's sustained support of our foundation over the entire lifetime of this foundation since 1998. And to many other individuals in other Australian academic institutions who have willingly supported this program. Peter Thorne, who couldn't be here, he's our resident historian, Barbara Ainsworth, Monash University, Professor David Abramson, Director of Research Computing, Professor of Computer Science at the University of Queensland, who is here through a great deal of effort, and Professor Bob Comerfield, as I mentioned, from the University of Sydney, all of whom spent years planning this celebration, as well as being major committee contributors despite COVID. I must also mention Rachel Slattery for her untiring efforts, and she unfortunately couldn't be here today because she contracted COVID last weekend. So her untiring efforts to tap folks to support, present, and manage this program, and Rachel's great team, led by Carolyn, sitting over there, and her colleagues, who have put today's event together under extremely difficult circumstances. Finally, my sincere thanks to you all for your attendance and attention here today, for your support of our foundation, and for delighting with us in computer science, the then, the now, and for what is possible. I now declare the riding of the Digital Wave Summit closed. Have a great 2022.